Hey there, welcome back. If you're ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level, today's videos is going to help you make the perfect choice. We've put together the top 5 best gas grills you can buy right now, carefully selected after checking expert reviews, performance tests, and comparisons. Whether you're a weekend griller, a dedicated BBQ lover, or someone who just wants fast, delicious meals for the family, this list has something for every cooking style and every budget. From compact space-saving units to powerful multi-burner setups built for entertaining, we've got it all covered. Now, let's dive right in and see which grill comes out on top. Links to all products are in the description. Starting off at number 5, the Char-Broil Performance Series Amplifier 2-burner. Compact yet powerful, this grill uses infrared amplifier technology for even heat and fewer flare-ups, delivering perfectly seared steaks and juicy meats. Its cabinet-style design keeps tools organized and the exterior sleek. Ideal for smaller patios or limited spaces, it's simple to assemble, easy to maintain, and reliable. If you want professional-style results without taking up much space or spending a fortune, the Char-Broil Amplifire offers impressive performance and versatility in a compact package. At number 4, we have the Ninja FlexFlame Outdoor Cooking System. This isn't your ordinary grill. It grills, smokes, roasts, griddles, and even bakes. With digital controls, convection fan assistance, and versatile cooking modes, you can prepare anything from juicy steaks to pizza. Perfect for experimental cooks or those who love hosting, the FlexFlame combines premium functionality with adaptability. Compact yet powerful, it makes outdoor cooking effortless and fun. If you want one device that can do it all and elevate your backyard cooking game, the Ninja FlexFlame is a top choice. At number 3, it's the Monument Grill's 4+2 burner propane gas grill. Featuring 4 main burners, 2 side burners, a sear station, and cabinet-style storage, this grill is perfect for large gatherings. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and a sleek, professional look. Temperature control is easy with built-in thermometers, and the spacious cooking area allows multiple dishes at once. Ideal for burgers, steaks, or veggies, the Monument 4+2 delivers consistent heat and versatility. For a backyard entertaining, this grill offers excellent performance, convenience, and style at a value that rivals higher-end models. Runner-up at number 2 is the Weber Spirit 2 E310. Renowned for reliability and consistent heat, this 3-burner grill is perfect for everyday use and weekend BBQs. Its zone control allows searing, low and slow cooking, and side dishes simultaneously. The natural gas setup ensures clean, convenient operation, while the Weber build guarantees years of use. Spacious yet compact for smaller patios, it balances functionality with practicality. If you want an easy-to-use, dependable grill backed by a trusted brand, the Spirit 2 E310 is an excellent choice for home cooks who take grilling seriously. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Weber Spirit EP435. This premium mid-tier grill features 4 main burners plus a side burner, offering generous space for searing, roasting, and slow cooking. Its stainless steel construction, durable design, and precise temperature control make it ideal for serious backyard chefs. Perfect for hosting large gatherings, it combines professional-level performance with user-friendly operation. If you want long-lasting reliability, versatility, and the trusted Weber quality, the Spirit EP435 is the ultimate choice. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with this standout grill. That's a wrap on our top 5 best gas grills. From compact space-saving models to premium feature-packed grills, there's something here for every backyard chef. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.